Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue with the fourth part of our Meghalaya tour plan. Before we start with the tour plan, first subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. So day 4 early morning again start for Cherrapunji sightseeing. Today we will go to Dauki and Maulinong village afterwards. Hire a cab which will cost around 2000 to 2500 rupees. Start with Arwa cave. It's 3.5 km from Cherrapunji bus stand, known for its limestone formations and the fossils. The cave is surrounded by thick forests. The cave is significantly larger than Mosmai cave, but only a small part of the cave has been opened for tourists. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes to reach the cave entrance. Opening timings are 9:30 am to 5:30 pm. Entry fee is 10 rupees per person. Then visit the Garden of Caves. The Garden of Caves is a natural park amidst the rainforest in East Khashi Hills. It's a hidden gem of Meghalaya. You can enjoy a beautiful waterfall and stunning scenery of the park. The waterfall is seasonal and fed by rain. The garden and caves been here for centuries. Opening hours are 8 am to 5:30 pm. Entry fee is 20 rupees per person. Then visit the Mosoa Falls, one of the eye-catching waterfalls of Meghalaya. Being hidden with lush greenlands, reaching this waterfall needs a quite bit of hike through the valleys and steep path. You can experience spectacular sight pristine water once you reach the spot. Then move towards Dauki. Dauki is a crystal clear river. The river is so transparent that you could see the stones and pebbles inside the river. You can either take swim where the water is cold throughout the year or go on a boat ride and take a peek inside the colorful marine life of the river. The boat fare is around 400 to 500 rupees per person. Then visit the Bidda Falls. The falls located just next to Dauki. The surrounding of the waterfall become much greener and alive after setting soaked in the monsoon rain. You have to trek 2 km to reach the waterfall. Opening hours are 8 am to 5 pm. Then visit the Jaflong Zero Point. The Zero Point is situated about 1 km away from Dauki market, known for its stone accumulation. Home to Khashi tribes, the place has got crystal clear water with pebbles here too. Opening timings are 8 am to 4 pm. Then visit Moshan Cave, one of the famous and most crowded attraction near Dauki. The caves are located near East Khashi, providing a calm atmosphere. The cave has cute little ponds that are formed due to flow water. Reaching the cave is not so easy. You have to walk on rough paths and rocks for about 3 to 5 odd minutes to reach the entrance. Opening hours are 9 am to 5:30 pm. Entry fee is 20 rupees per person. Then visit Borhil Waterfalls, located at the outskirts near the national border. The stunning waterfall will surely make your day. The water from this waterfall flows through the border of India and glides under Bangladesh border. Then move forward to Maulinong village, which is known as the cleanest village of Asia. It's a small hamlet with about 80 houses and the population is just 500. It's 35 km away from Dauki. Little houses arranged neatly in a row on each side with a small personal garden almost outside of every house. There is also a little homestay where visitors can stay overnight. This is how your entire trip will end here. Then back to hotel and night stay at Shillong. Day 5 back to Guwahati and return back by flight or train. I have mentioned few good hotels for night stay at Shillong below in the description box. Best season to visit Meghalaya is between March to June. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.